If you're watching this video, you're definitely running a wellness clinic and your ads are not performing and not bringing you new clients. This video will change everything. I'm going to show you how I create high converting Facebook ad that gets real booking, not just clicks, using one simple ad strategy. So let's jump into the video. I had this wellness clinic client and they came to me with worry that their ads are spending money but not generating anything. And their cost per lead was really high. They were not booking calls. I looked into their campaigns and I realized what they were doing wrong. The 90% of clinic owners, they do the wrong targeting. They don't target the correct people and they don't do the first important emotional hook in their ads. So their ads look like a flag, no clear offer, no emotional hook, and no targeting for people actually ready to. So the important hook for wellness clinics are emotional. Wellness is all emotional. People book when they feel understood, and like you can use the lines like feeling tired, stressed, or in constant pain. So these hooks always work. And don't overgo with your ad creators because you will distract the clients and they will not feel connected with your ads. So I will show you few of our ads which really worked and what were the ad creatives. So you will understand that what we created and why they work. We didn't go with the ad creatives with excessive designs. We created a simple ad creatives which targets the exact pain of the user. So let me show you all the ads and how they work. So in this dashboard, you can see we have generated around 300 leads. These are the website leads. So it means they have a booking on their websites. People click on the ads, went to their website and submit the form or booked a call with the clinic. And these are the meta leads. So we created 667 meta leads and the cost per lead for wellness clinics around $11 is really amazing because always wellness health related ads, they all are high cost per lead niche. So you need to be always careful with your budgeting and cost per lead. If your cost per leads goes really high, close that campaign. And if you're really expert and you know how to optimize your ads, you can create a dynamic campaigns. So they are really good. You can change your ads without stopping your campaign because there might be a possibility few of your ads are working in that campaign and you don't want to close the campaign. So in dynamic ads, it gives you feature to remove the ads which are not working in a single ad and add more top performing ads in it. So as you can see here, all the top performing campaigns, we have keep them running. And the ones which they ran before, you can see the cost per lead is around $300. That's really expensive for a wellness clinic. And you always need to look for these type of campaigns because these are red flags for your company and for your clients. So what you need to do to create a high converting ads which really hook your clients, I'll show you the ads. So let's go into the meta leads ads here. And I'm going to show you few ads which will give you an idea what type of ads you can create. And these type of ads you can always use with other niches also. I have created a whole video about ad creatives and how you can create a really good ads without wasting a lot of time in ad designing. The video is about 9-word Facebook ad which really works. So you definitely need to watch that video. So you can see few of our ads. The ad creative is really simple. No text on the ad creatives. Single image. You can find it on Google or anywhere on the internet. Don't waste time on creating really good designs because they distract your leads. So you need to have a simple ad creatives which target the exact user. So we use this image and the text is really amazing. We use this image with a really good primary text which target the user pain. We have different examples like this. Let me show you another one. So as you can see in this ad also, a simple image with a really good primary text and a hook in the headline. So you don't need a really good graphic designer or reviews to get a high performing ad. You just need a simple ad which targets the hook. You always need to target the hook in your ads. And let me show you the ad structure. It is not really high or advanced structure. It is a simple structure. So as you can see in the ad set, we only targeted the locations which we wanted and the age range, because it's really important in the wellness clinic whom you are targeting. If it is related to people who are older, you cannot target the people who are teenage or younger. So don't waste your money on those ad range. Always target the correct audience. This is always the priority for yourself and the targeting. So what you need to target. Don't overwhelm yourself with detailed targeting, going and entering the targeting and interest of the user, because that will minimize your audience and narrow the targeting, and that will cost you more money in the start. So always go broad. Just put the location, age range, and that's it. Don't add anything else, and always target all the placements in your ad. The placements are really important. If you're getting a lot of spam leads, you can turn off the audience network from the placements and go manual of the placements. I have created a whole video about placements, how you can set them up properly if you're getting a spam leads or a spam bot leads from your ads. So you can fix that easily. And let me show you the campaign structure also, so you can understand the whole campaign, how we set it up and why it's working. As you can see here, the campaign is really simple. It's no rocket science. We haven't done anything big. The important thing we did was the ad creatives. We work, we research everything, that why anyone should click on our ads. We need to connect with them emotionally. Always remember, wellness clinic ads are all about emotion, because they are in pain and they want someone to understand their pain and find a solution for that. And you should be there instead of wasting your time on creating a really good design and really long ad copies. Just create a simple ad and let it run. So it will give you really good results instead of your ads looking like a flag. So our campaigns are simple, our targeting is broad, and the campaign is working. Client is getting really good leads, and the client was happy and he got overwhelmed with the leads. He asked us to stop the campaign because he got a lot of leads and he cannot fulfill all of them. So the best thing here is to connect your leads with the CRM like GoHighLevel. So if you connect it with the automation, your leads will not get old, because once they submit the form, they want someone to contact them instantly. And if you don't contact them, they will forget, and sometimes they will say they didn't fill the form. So what you need to do, connect it with the automation and just send them the welcome email or send them the booking link to have a call with you directly, or they can send you their available time so you can call them next day to book a time. So always feel them welcome instantly when they fill out the form. So they don't feel like after filling out the form, no one is going to contact them for days. So don't left your leads hanging. Always connect them with the automation. I hope this video helps you to understand how to create high converting ad creatives and a campaign for your wellness clinics. It will give you a really good cost per lead. Trust me, all these campaigns which we have created, they have a simple ad and a simple ad copy, which really targets the pain of the customer. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. It helps the automation to push my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.